Okay, so let's be honest for a second. Travel is exciting, right? New places, new food, new people.
But also, kinda scary.
Especially when English is not your first language.
You're at the airport. The officer looks at you and says, "What's the purpose of your visit?" And your brain just starts panicking.
Or you're at a hotel. You need extra towels, but you don't want to call the front desk. Because what if they talk too fast? What if you don't understand? What if it's embarrassing?
Yeah, that feeling is very real. And you know what? It's not your fault.
You just need the right sentences. Simple ones, real ones. Sentences that actually work.
So today, we have 50 of them. All for travel.
We'll say each sentence once, then slowly, then you repeat.
Don't think too much. Just listen. Just speak.
Even if it's not perfect, that's completely okay.
Because the goal isn't perfect. The goal is real.
Okay, let's start. Section 1. At the airport.
These are sentences for when you arrive, check in, go through security, and find your gate. Ready? Listen first, then repeat after me.
Where is the check-in counter? Where is the check-in counter?
I have one bag to check. I have one bag to check. Is this the right gate? Is this the right gate? What time does the flight board? What time does the flight board?
Can I have a window seat, please? Can I have a window seat, please?
How many bags can I take? How many bags can I take?
My flight is delayed. My flight is delayed.
Where do I pick up my bag? Where do I pick up my bag?
I can't find my passport. I can't find my passport.
Is there free Wi-Fi here? Is there free Wi-Fi here?
Great job! 10 sentences done.
See, that wasn't scary. Those are real sentences. People say those every single day at airports.
And now your brain has heard them. So next time you're at the airport, they'll come out much more easily.
Okay, section 2. At the hotel.
You just arrived, you're tired, you want your room, you want food, you want everything to go smoothly.
These sentences will help. Listen, then repeat.
I have a reservation. I have a reservation.
Can I check in early? Can I check in early?
What time is checkout? What time is checkout?
Can I have an extra pillow? Can I have an extra pillow?
The air conditioning isn't working. The air conditioning isn't working.
Is breakfast included? Is breakfast included?
Can I get a late checkout? Can I get a late checkout?
Where is the elevator? Where is the elevator?
I'd like to extend my stay. I'd like to extend my stay.
Can you call a taxi for me? Can you call a taxi for me?
Beautiful. 20 sentences now.
And honestly, the hotel ones are so useful because hotels can feel intimidating. The front desk, the phone.
But now you have the sentences. So next time, you walk up to that counter with confidence.
Which is honestly the best feeling.
Okay, quick break from sentences. Can I tell you something?
Yeah, go ahead.
When I was learning a new language, I was so scared to speak at restaurants. Like, what if I order the wrong thing? What if I say it wrong? What if they laugh?
Yes, that fear is so real.
But then I realized something. The people at the restaurant, they just want to help you. They're not judging your grammar. They're just trying to understand what you want.
Exactly. And that's the thing about travel English. People are patients. They're used to different accents, different English. They've heard it all.
So even if your sentence isn't perfect, as long as they understand you, you win.
That's real confidence. Not perfect English, just communication.
Okay, let's keep going. Section 3. At a restaurant.
These are the sentences you need when you sit down, order food, and handle small problems.
Listen, then repeat.
Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please?
What do you recommend? What do you recommend?
I'll have the same, please. I'll have the same, please.
Can I have some water, please? Can I have some water, please?
Is this spicy? Is this spicy?
I'm allergic to nuts. I'm allergic to nuts.
Can I get the bill, please? Can I get the bill, please?
Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards?
This is delicious, thank you.
This is delicious. Thank you.
Can I have this to go? Can I have this to go?
30 sentences. You're halfway there.
And those restaurant sentences, super useful because food is one of the best parts of traveling.
And now you can actually talk about it.
Section 4. Getting around. This is important because sometimes you get lost, sometimes you're confused, sometimes the map isn't helping.
We've all been there. These sentences will save you.
How do I get to the city center? How do I get to the city center?
Is it far from here? Is it far from here?
Can you show me on the map? Can you show me on the map?
I'm lost. Can you help me? I'm lost. Can you help me?
How much is the bus ticket? How much is the bus ticket?
Where's the nearest metro station? Where is the nearest metro station?
Does this bus go to the airport? Does this bus go to the airport?
Can you take me to this address? Can you take me to this address?
Stop here, please. Stop here. Please.
How long does it take? How long does it take?
40 sentences. Look at you go.
Seriously? That's really impressive.
And those getting around sentences, they're the ones that feel scary in real life.
Because when you're lost, your brain panics fast.
But now those sentences are already in your head. So when you need them, they'll come out.
Last section, everyday travel moments. These are small sentences, but honestly, they might be the most useful.
Because travel isn't just airports and hotels, it's talking to people, asking small questions, saying thank you, being human.
Listen, then repeat.
Sorry, I don't understand. Sorry, I don't understand.
Can you speak more slowly, please? Can you speak more slowly, please?
Can you write that down? Can you write that down?
What does that mean? What does that mean?
Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
Excuse me, I have a question. Excuse me, I have a question.
That was amazing. Thank you. That was amazing. Thank you.
I really enjoyed my stay. I really enjoyed my stay.
See you next time.
See you
Next time.
I'll be back. I'll be back.
And yes, that one is also from a famous movie.
Classic. Okay, 50 sentences. Done. How do you feel?
Honestly, if you made it this far, you're already better at travel English than you think.
Here's the thing though. Listening is great, but there's one more step.
You have to use these sentences, even in small ways.
Practice them at home. Say them out loud. Say them in the mirror. Say them to your friend.
Because here's the truth about travel English, and honestly, about all spoken English.
The sentences feel scary before you use them. But the moment you say one out loud in a real situation,
It works. And that moment, when you say something in English and the other person understands you,
that feeling is incredible. Paul, that's not just communication, that's confidence. And that confidence, it grows every single time you speak.
even when it's not perfect, especially when it's not perfect. Because imperfect English that works is so much better than perfect English that stays quiet. Okay, before we go, can I say something?
Of course.
Travel is one of the most powerful things in life. It changes how you see the world, how you see yourself.
And language is the key to that. When you can communicate, even a little bit, in another language, you connect with the world differently.
You feel braver, more open, more alive.
And today, you took a step toward that.
50 sentences, real ones, kind people actually use.
So next time you're at an airport or a hotel or a restaurant in a new city,
You'll remember this, and maybe, just maybe, one of these sentences will come out.
and that moment will feel amazing.
We believe in you. We really do.
See you in the next episode.
And until then, keep listening, keep repeating, keep speaking.
Bye for now.